everyone, my name is John Francis Elderio. My schedule is 2:30 to 4. So today I will gonna show you the proper hand washing.
Step 1. Wet a hand a running water. Step 2. Apply soap and apply lather. Step 3. Rub a palm together, palm to palm. Step 4. Right palm over a left dorsum with an interlace finger. Step 5. Palm to palm with finger interface. Step 6. Back of fingers opposing palms with fingers interlock. Step 7. Rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in a right pane and vice versa. Step 8. Rotational rubbing backwards and forward with clasped finger of right hand and left palm and vice versa. Step 9. Rinse the hands with water. Step 10. Dry thoroughly with a single-use towel. Step 11. Use a towel to turn off the faucet.